In this video, I'm going to show you a two-legged website that I've been using it for a while, which has paid me more than $30 within a few days. I'm going to show you. Make sure to stick to this video. Not wasting my time. Let's dive into this video. So this is the website that I'm talking about. You can see that past 3 days ago, I've been using this website for the past 3 days ago, and my last withdrawal was 6.7 USDT, which I withdraw through LTC over here. I'm going to show you how you can able to withdraw your money, how you can able to start making money on this app, and at the end of the video I'm going to show you the name of the website. So make sure to stick to this video, don't skip any part. And I'm going to show you how you can able to set up your account scratch. This one, it doesn't require any investment. It's very free of charge. All you have to do is to make sure you use your phone and strong internet connection. So let's dive into the main video. So for you to get started, I'm going to show you how you can able to set up your account. So you can see that they're saying to sign up. They're saying to select a desired profile type now, but you can switch them later. So this one is I'm a freelancer, I'm a buyer, so we want to earn money on this app. So you can see that a freelancer, I want to earn money, so you have to click on freelancer and make sure to type your real name over here. This is where you're going to type your real name. So let's say it, I'm Anthony. So type your real name over here, come to the second one and type your last name, and also come here and also type your nickname, and also make sure to use a Gmail account, strong email account, and also set your password and confirm your password and select your country. Someone will ask, please, does this work for me when I'm in Africa? It works worldwide, whether in Bangladesh, India, Africa, anywhere in the world. This website is going to pay you. And also click on agree and click on sign up. Then you have to go to your email to go and verify, make money on this website. Alright, so if you come to this interface, you see the interface of this website. If you scroll down over here, you can see that. If you scroll down over here, you can see the bunch of tax. This tax is paying you $2.5 US. If you also scroll down over here, this tax is paying you $0.75 US. See, this one is paying you $0.5 US. You can see that if you're on this website if you stay on this website for even an hour, you can make at least a lot of money if you are consistent. So scroll down over here, you can see these are some of the tax. The name of the website is called Sproutgate. You can go and do more research about it. You'll see a payment proof on YouTube. You can do. Alright, so the second website I'm going to talk about is called MicroWorker. So this is a familiar with the first one I talk about. So this one is a familiar with the first one. It said MicroWorkers work and earn or offer a micro job. So first of all, let me show you how you can also set up your account over here. Click on it and click on register. And you can see that it's the same as the previous one. You have to enter your first name and the middle name and the last name. But the middle name is optional, so you can leave that one. And also scroll down over here, enter gender. If you're a male, select a male. If you're a female, select a female. And also select your country over here. And also the date of birth. And also your email, password. And also provide a valid home address, and also address 1, address 2, zip code. So if you don't know your zip code, you have to go and search about your zip code. Let's say if you are from Bangladesh, you have to go to Google and search your Bangladesh zip code. They're going to give you the zip code and come and paste it here and select your city, state, and country of residence. It's very simple as that. It doesn't require any stress. So let me log in. I have an account. Let me log in and see